Welcome to our quick guide on how to change currency in Expert Option. In this video, we'll explore the platform's currency features and how to customize your trading experience. Let's begin by accessing your account settings. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner to open the Settings menu. Within the Settings menu, scroll to find the Currency option and select it to proceed. Now, you'll see a list of currencies available. Choose your preferred currency that suits your trading needs. It's important to understand that changing your currency may affect your trading analytics and pricing. Make sure to evaluate your decision carefully. After selecting your preferred currency, confirm the change by clicking the Save button. To verify that your currency has been updated, check the dashboard. You should see your selected currency displayed. Consider factors like market trends and your trading strategy when selecting your currency for trading. Research is key. Thanks for watching. Be sure to keep an eye out for any updates to the Expert Option platform that might affect your currency settings.